Tired of losing your keys, wallet, or backpack? The Apple AirTag 4-pack is here to change that, offering peace of mind like never before. Its standout feature, precision finding, uses Ultra Wideband technology to guide you directly to your lost item with incredible accuracy on your iPhone. Imagine visually seeing the distance and direction right on your screen. No more frantic searching under couch cushions. Setting up these brilliant trackers couldn't be simpler. It's a one-tap process that instantly pairs with your iPhone, getting you started in seconds. And for those everyday adventures, the AirTag boasts IP67 water and dust resistance, so a little splash or dirt won't stop it from doing its job. What truly makes the AirTag the best tracker is its seamless integration into the vast Apple Find My network, leveraging millions of iPhones worldwide to help locate your belongings. This means even if your item is miles away, the network can anonymously and securely relay its location back to you, making it an essential gadget. If you're ready to upgrade your peace of mind, you can find the Apple AirTag 4-pack and check out current pricing right through the link in our description below. For anyone invested in the Apple ecosystem, this isn't just another tracker. It's the ultimate solution for keeping tabs on what matters most, unlike any other on the market. We highly recommend the Apple AirTag 4-pack as the top electronic purchase for 2025 to keep track of your valuables effortlessly.